XRP could slip 2% tomorrow according to 30 rates. But first, let's start with the current situation on the market. XRP has posted a 0.2% decrease today and is now near the $1.5249 level. Now, let's hear today's analyst opinions. The model from 30 rates points to a drop toward $1.4945 by tomorrow, a decline of around 2%. XRP is expected to reach $1.5004 per digital coin price, marking a decline of around 1.6%. CoinCodex highlights the possibility of descending to $1.5237, a decline close to 0.1%. Another prediction from CoinPrice Forecast notes XRP may rise toward $1.55, an estimated move up of 1.6%. And last but not least, Gov Capital Collector believes the price could reach $1.578 by March 19. That's 3.4% up. This is the top return outlook so far. 5 opinions shared. Let's go to the next piece. Let's sum up what all 5 analysts expect based on their forecasts. The shared data from these forecasts suggests the market could move from a decrease of 2% to an increase of 3.4%, depending on the analyst. All in all, Gov Capital Collector ends up with the highest return with 3.4% uplift in value by March 19. As the data shows, you could collect between $1 and $34 for every $1,000 you invest. When evaluating probabilities, CoinCodex's forecast has proven to be the most reliable, with a 93.2% chance of success. With the 5 forecasts aligned, I've highlighted the overall consensus scenario. Looking at the consensus view, XRP is seen holding near $1.5293 without major change. Alright, let's unpack this. The consensus expectation is for an increase of 0.3%. This suggests your capital might also grow by roughly 0.3%. If you had $1,000 invested, the scenario could point to $3 in return. And in this scenario, the consensus forecast is given a likelihood of about 92.6%. At this moment, let's examine the short-term 3-day views. 30 rates highlights the likelihood of a climb in price. Digital coin price describes the near-term path as bearish. Meanwhile, CoinCodex indicates that prices could dip further. Coin Price Forecast believes the price is set to climb further. Similarly, Gov Capital Collector sees the price trending higher in the short term. The consensus highlights that XRP may gain strength in the short term. Summing it up, the balance of forecasts is bullish, with XRP likely to follow a rising course. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts went live. Let's see how they looked against the actual price. Ultimately, the final price landed near $1.5181. Only 1 out of 5 was correct. As far as accuracy goes, 30 rates stood out on top. Let's lay it out step by step. All 5 forecasts ended up outside the market's move. For ROI performance, some analysts stayed above zero, with the maximum gain at 2.6%. This is the complete summary. All forecasts verified and compared. From the table, crypto predictions reached -2.6% ROI and $0.0761 accuracy. Study the table for a moment and see who performed strongest. Let's take a look at how tomorrow's potential returns compare between XRP and a few others. XRP holds second position, as Cardano stays ahead with 1.1%. Here we're comparing XRP with 4 randomly selected cryptocurrencies. The full dataset, with expanded analyst statistics, will be published soon on my website and Telegram. The market moves fast, so hit subscribe and don't fall behind. Catch you in the next forecast summary.